to make your first $10,000 on TikTok. This video, I'll be breaking down in detail how to move from $0 to $10,000 in the space of 100 days. You don't need no capital, no stock, no investment, no office. All you need is your phone, your internet connection, and your TikTok account. A big shout out to TikTok Affiliate Coach for breaking down in details on how to start this journey. If you're new on this channel, welcome to Gap Success Channel. In this channel, we teach people how to make money online using their smartphone and their internet connection. Smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification button so that whenever we post any correct video, you will be the first to notify. Who knows, our next video may be a life-changing opportunity. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do yourself a favor and stick to the end of this video. And I will be also dropping the platform links that help me to achieve this success story. I will also be dropping my WhatsApp number below the description of this video in case you want to connect with me one-on-one. And if you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. I will get back to you. Good luck.
Okay, so how would you make your first $10,000 on TikTok without no capital, no stock, no investment, no office? All you need is your phone, internet connection, and your TikTok app, right? So let's say this is you and you want to make money on TikTok, but you don't have any capital or you don't want to do any investment. What you're going to do, you're going to set up your TikTok account. Right? So after setting up your TikTok account, you're going to niche down, right? So as you set out your TikTok account, you need to niche down. So what are the top niches that you can niche down into that will make you a lot of commissions and a lot of money? They are wealth, right? 2, relationship. 3, health. And 4, manifestation. The easiest, right? Why do we choose this? Because these are the top niches. When you look at the affiliate programs that really work so well with this strategy, these are the top niches, right? So after niching down, you can choose any of these niches. After niching down, you can find a topic, right? Find a topic from the niche, right? Find a topic on any of the niches, right? Find a topic. After finding a topic, now right here, when you're setting up your TikTok, you need to put into consideration the username, right? The name, the bio, and the profile picture, right? They're all supposed to be that niche that you've chosen to do, right? The niche, right? They should focus on the niche. So after doing this, what you're going to do, when you're setting up your TikTok, there are some do's and don'ts that you need to do or to know. For example, no VPN, avoid VPN, consistency. What else? Avoid logging in and out. Logging in and out, in out in different devices, right? Then the other thing that you need to avoid, you need to avoid more than one TikTok account. Right? Account in one phone. So these are the main things that you need to understand. So after choosing the niche and you've set it very, very well, there's some websites that you're going to need. Website that you're going to do to make your faceless content. For example, Pixels onto Pixabay. Which apps are you going to need to make content? You'll need CapCut. You'll need Canva. You'll need the YouTube app to also help you, right? Then here you'll need the Taplink, right? Apps and websites. So this is enough for you to make your first $10,000. After understanding that, you need to start setting up your content, and you need to do a 30 days challenge. right? So what happens is that before actually you do a 30 days challenge, you need to choose an affiliate program, right? Affiliate program. So for example, you can either choose from any of this. We have Amazon, we have Digistore 24, we have AliExpress, we have ClickBank, we have Seller, and so many others, right? So there are so many, the list is endless. So for your 30 days challenge, what you're going to do, you're going to start making 3 to 5 videos a day, right? 3 to 5 videos a day. So as you're making your videos, you'll start noticing, what you're going to notice is that the more you're consistent, you'll start to see some videos picking up, right? You'll see some videos picking up. You'll see some videos picking up. You will see some videos picking up, but they will only pick up if you've niched down, right? So as some videos pick up, you'll eventually get a viral video, right? Because this is how the TikTok algorithm works. Once you get a viral video, now this viral video will help some of other videos to get much more better views. And by this time, by the time you get a viral video, it means that you already have over 1,000 followers, right? And the moment you notice the 1,000 followers, what you need to do is to set up your landing page. Set up the landing page. When you set up the landing page, get the link for the offers that you want to promote and put the links in the landing page. And in this case, we shall use TapLink as our landing page. Then you publish this TapLink and you get the link for TapLink and you put it on the TikTok profile. Right? So after doing that, you just have to remain consistent, and you need to make sure that you understand how to use hooks in your content. Hooks. You need to understand how to use captions, understand how to use hashtags, understand how to use trending sounds, understand how to use titles at the beginning. Right? So after understanding this, all you need to do is to remain. CTAs, don't forget CTA. What is CTA? CTA means call to action. Then all you need is consistency. And in a few months, you'll have your 10,000. So if you can make your 10,000, it means that you can also make 50,000. So if you want to know step by step on how you can do this, then what you need to do is to comment. I'm interested in the comments to show you how. And don't forget to check link in bio for step-by-step tutorial mentorship.